Hey, it's Bear with here doing this floor some more. Now, on this first row against the wall there, they've cut the tongue and groove apart. So there's places where the crack goes straight through. There's nothing underneath it. And what I just figured out is over here, if I take a piece of masking tape like this, fold it in half, and I can just gently push it down in there. And because it's sticky, it'll stick just about where you want it. It's the sticky side out. And then you can use that just to support the first little bit of filler. I'm only going to fill it halfway to begin with. Let that set overnight and come back and do the other bit. So that's the way of, oh, see, now that one's falling right through there, so I've got to do that again. But up here it worked really nice. You don't want it sticking to the sides of the wood. You just want it right down near the bottom. Just enough to support the goo from falling through the cracks on that first go. So that's what I'll have to do all along there. Any place where it can go through. Now over here, while I had this board up, I put some masking tape underneath the board. So you can see it down in there, and it's covering the crack quite nicely. Same thing on this side. I put some masking tape underneath the one board, and then I've prepared these edges while I had it out and filled in the tongue or the groove where the groove hole was. So I know that's nice and full, and the sides are nice and smooth. So on this, also on this first layer, I want to make sure I get the sides nice so that when I put the sticky stuff in tomorrow, it'll have a nice, good place to stick to. It'll be all nice and dry. I'll just top it up. So two sets. So 2 rows right now. And then I just use sandpaper, sanded insides, both sides, took out a couple of nails, redid the screws on this one board, dyed the holes where the screws are going to come in. I'll fill those tomorrow. And then that's it. Using that just regular decorator's filler. I think it's going to get the job done. Cheap and cheerful, as they say. Then I got to blend all the color of the floor in next.